What's going on, y'all? If you didn't know, my favorite Chinese restaurant was destroyed by the tornado in St. Louis. So, welcome to my quest for a new one. But anyway, let's get it. So, we went to the Chinaman right there on Natural Bridge and Vanderventer, and we got my favorites. Now, we're going to start off with this egg roll. Now I usually get the veggie egg roll. That's my preference. I like that little veggie egg roll, but let's see what there is about. Look like it's fried pretty good. Looks pretty crispy. So let's go and get that on the plate. We also got some chicken, fried rice with the egg foo young gravy out. That's my other favorite. So we gonna see what this about too, y'all. And if you have never tried that egg foo young gravy on your rice, I recommend it, y'all. Y'all need to try it. But anyway, let's get some of this rice on my plate. Now what I'm doing here, I'm trying to get more rice than I get gravy. Now a lot of times when I know it's right, I always get that gravy on the side. That way I can pour the gravy over the top. But this time I just ordered it as it came. And oh yeah, you know I had to get that St. Paul, y'all. Had to get that St. Paul. Now if you don't know what a St. Paul is, I do have a video. If you check my archives, and you'll see me making a St. Paul from scratch. Let's see if this is even better than the St. Paul that I use. But let's take a look at that inside. Of course, we see that beautiful egg patty with that mayonnaise. And we getting ready to see what this all about. Now I know people in St. Louis might say, man, that rice look dark. But that's how we do it here in St. Louis. Our rice is always dark. We don't do that yellow rice or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, let's cut into this egg roll. So yeah, this is what the inside is working with. And let's go ahead and get us a bite. Yeah, it's nice and crispy. I'm not really feeling the filling, but hey, it's a decent veggie egg roll. It's not horrible. I would say maybe 5 out of 10. You know, just average. But anyway, let's taste this rice, y'all. Of course, we gotta mix that gravy in real good before we taste it, because we need that gravy in that bite. So let's see what we're working with. Let's see. To be real about it, it's okay. Maybe a 6 out of 10. Nothing to write home about. You know, it's decent. It'll work. But it ain't touching what I'm used to. But anyway, let's go ahead and cut into this shrimp St. Paul, y'all. Now, if they can't get this, something wrong with them. So let's check out that inside. Got your pickles, got your lettuce, your mayo. It's already looking disappointing, y'all. That lettuce don't look alright. Don't look that good, y'all. Sandwich itself, kind of average. I mean, it don't really have enough flavor, y'all. Usually it's more flavor on that St. Paul than this, but we gonna try it with a little bit of sweet and sour. That sweet and sour did help out. But yeah, average at best. And that lettuce really takes it down. I probably would give that St. Paul maybe a 4 at best. It is what it is, y'all. We're gonna try that egg roll right quick with that sweet and sour. Yeah, it brought it up a bit, but no, y'all. This ain't it, y'all. This ain't it. It ain't it at all. So, in closing, I hope y'all follow me on this journey to find me a new Chinese food restaurant. And I would give this restaurant about a 5 out of 10. But as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.